front of me is LENOVO Idea Tab Plus 12.1 Mate Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. First of all, you need to access Recorder app that's already on your Lenovo and tap on it. If you never used it before, click on Allow and Allow while using in all pop-ups. And then to start recording, use blue button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same blue button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it, on the right one. Then to access it, click on this icon at the top right corner. As you can see, my recording is here. To play it, click on it. To manage it, hold it, and use all of those options at the bottom. Share on the right. Rename in the middle. Then finish to save your changes. And last but not least, delete on the left. Click on Delete in the pop-up to confirm your choice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!